Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong post ng ABS-CBN News. Yung whistleblower ng missing Sabongeros, meron siyang dinawit na isang active police colonel at isang retired police general. Sangkot daw dito sa missing Sabongeros. So yan, post ng ABS-CBN. So na-attract ako, tinignan ko itong news. Ito na yung news article ng ABS-CBN. Ito: whistleblower files admin raps versus cops tag in missing Sabongeros case. Okay. So ako, excited ako makita sino, pangalan ba? Sino yung active police colonel? Sino yung retired police general? So basahin natin ha. Whistleblower Julie Dondon Patidungan on Monday, ngayon, lodged administrative complaints against several policemen who were allegedly involved in the death and disappearance of dozens of cockfighting enthusiasts. Patidungan filed the administrative complaint before the National Police Commission. He earlier alleged that as many as 100 people were murdered over their alleged involvement in match fixing, killed by police moonlighting for an online cockfight operator. Earlier in the day, police confirmed that human remains were among the sacks of bones recovered from Taal Lake. Search teams continue scouring the lake, which spans more than 230 square kilometers, with a report from AFP, Agency France Presse. Okay, so bitin, wala na oh. Nasaan yung pangalan ng active police colonel at police general? Wala. Ano lang ito? Nagsampa lang ng kaso. Wala. Nagsampa lang ng kaso, hindi naman pinangalanan sino yung kinasuhan. Ano ba yan? Ito Julie Patidungan alias Totoy, named an active police colonel and a retired police general who were involved in the missing Sabongeros case. Yan ang posto. Named, pinangalanan. Post, punta ka doon sa article ng ABS-CBN, wala namang pangalan. Ano ba itong ABS-CBN? Kaya medyo duda ako dito. Baka hindi kaya ito, tanong lang naman, hindi kaya cover up ito, distraction? Magbasa tayo ng mga comments. Okay. Gracie de Jesus, oh my God, pera-pera na lang ang buhay ng tao ngayon. Alt-tab, abangan ang mga susunod na kabanata. Go DDS at Bibe, mag-away-away kayo sa comment section. Ayan, Bintulan, di na masyadong mapagkatiwalaan ang batas ngayon. Halos scripted, mga opisyal ng gobyerno ang batas. So ako, duda ako sa post na ito kasi named alias Totoy, named yung active police colonel and retired police general. Punta ka doon sa news mismo, yung article nila, wala mang pangalan. Francis Dawis, pangalanan na agad-agad para di makatakas. Kaya nga, bakit kung totoo, bakit withhold yung pangalan? Ito, may nagpahiwatig na. Tina Adornado, baka ang kalbong wanted pa ng ICC ang tinutukoy niya. Baka nga lang, oh. Sinong kalbong edi yung Maka Duterte na Police General. Roy De Nego. If you glean it from most comments, it appears this administration has a lot of catching up to do in terms of making people believe what the authorities are trying to establish and improve. Yun. Wala na, mahirapan ng maniwala ang tao. Okay, Arnel Lucena. Ayon kay Google search, burlap sacks made from natural fibers like jute typically 6 to 12 months to degrade in water. However, this time frame can vary depending on the factors. Gray Toche. If that's legit, there's no wonder many among them have been involved in such operations. I'm sorry, walang pangalan eh. Ano ba naman tong post? Name. Whistleblower name. I-dig up mo yung article nila, wala, may pangalan. So, baka tama yung hinala, yung comments na nababasa ko na cover up distraction ito doon sa mas malaking issue. Ano yung malaking issue? Yung nangyari sa LA noong March 8, yung pagkamatay ni late Paulo Tantoco, na sa police report, yung post ni Mr. Rigoberto Tiglao, basang-basa doon, klaro, pangalan nandun Lisa Araneta Marcos, kasama doon sa yung lugar kung saan namatay si late Paulo. So nakakapagtaka, ngayong araw nito ang daming naghihintay kay Auntie Claire na mag press briefing. Wala. So ano ba yan? Ikibit balikat na lang hanggang makalimutan ng taong bayan. I don't know kung hanggang kailan ito makakalimutan ng taong bayan, kasi nga hindi naman ito personal tragedy na nangyari. It's a government activity. Yung lakad nila, yung entourage headed by the First Lady, pera ng taong bayan kinastos, is an official trip. Tapos may nangyaring ganyan, tapos wala lang, pabayaan lang, hindi magpaliwanag. Hindi tayo titigil nito.